Hi, viewers. Please join with me today to improve your conferencive abilities. As speaking is the main ingredient of good manners, and the art of speaking softly and gently to produce a feeling of maximum civility is to be acquired like any other art. The way a person speaks can go a long way in bringing him success in life. This is an essential soft skill a person has to prove in his challenging walks of his professional career. And the subject of speeches will guide and motivate his positive thinking. And that will suggest the importance of developing taste, sense of rightness, the strength of thought, to appreciate the greatness of productivity, and to reject the trivial subjects. And the oral activities must be improved. Lots of oral activities will promote the communication skill as that reflects the purposive interaction of other speakers with their audiences. Because this will also acquire an intimate sense of the rightness, appropriateness, and artistry of language that can help him for better exposure. So, listening plays its important role, and it is the special skill which must be added along with the soft skills that which complement art skills plays a vital role for professional success. This skill helps to prove the confidence of capacity to analyze and summarize material, to communicate, to work a deadline, to argue a case, to work independently as well as collaboratively, to think logically, and to be able to project their sound knowledge in the subject area along with the technical ability. The significance of soft skills cannot be denied in this age of technology of information and knowledge. The formation of right etiquette is a result of it that is more persuasive and influential than any other type of communication. And in the speeches of all occasions, what do we master? We master and play with more words and gestures. That will definitely prove the warmth of human closeness and harmonious cooperation with others. So, develop an art of effective speaking that is an instrument and weapon without any parallel, and that can be only developed, and you can obtain the skill if there is a strong will in you. For it, listening plays its important role, and you shall have to listen a lot the types of more speeches. Here, I just have a piece of speech to your listening because the basic listening skills include hearing, paying attention, comprehending, and interpreting a message. And critical thinking adds analysis and evaluation to the skill. Okay, so please stand for your constructive listening because it is an additional vital role to stand for the creation of its meaning. Please, you can join with me with one of the demonstrative speech of mine under the section of the host speech. Suppose if there is a party of get together, how shall the host deliver the speech? Join with me now. Ladies and gentlemen, how do you have to address the gathering? Ladies and gentlemen, I am very happy to have you all here. We don't get the chance to meet often. All of us like this at one place and at one time. We are the hard workers and go with our stress of challenges for the whole week, and during the weekend we meet like this. We have our work, our preoccupations, and yet we do meet sometime. We need to relax to get to know about each other because we are not at all mechanically packed at anywhere. That's what I just have arranged a meeting of get together like this, and it's really interesting to meet you all here. And thank you for having gathered here. And you're all my like minded friends who will never criticize and complain about anybody but will accept us and others as we are. I think it is a good chance to meet sometimes to refresh ourselves with small and big talks and even laugh away our cares with the help of others who are so near and dear to us. I hope you will enjoy this get together party and that tomorrow will give us new energy to face the future. So please relax and so feel happy to meet you all. Thank you, my friends, and enjoy yourself. And like this, you can also develop your involvement to exercise your art of public speaking to speak in a party hall with your get together gathering. Thanks for attending this session.